This tonneau cover I purchased in 2003, and it's now 2019. So it is 16 years old. When I bought it, I thought it'd last for 5 years, but it's held up really well. But what I've done is twice a year. Originally, I used Tonneau tonic. Spring and fall, would wash it off, let it dry real well, then apply a coat of the Tonneau tonic, and that became crazy expensive. So now, for the last few years, I've been using McGuire's Natural Shine Protectant, and this seems to work as well. It has UV blocking for durable protection, and it's also got Scotchgard in it, and but it's worked real well. So what I've done for those last 16 years is using a wet microfiber towel, cleaning the surface really well, and then drying it with a dry microfiber towel, and then I'll let that sit and dry for a few hours or that, and then I'll apply the protectant. I've let this dry. Actually ended up being overnight, got busy, so I'm going to take some of the product here, spray it on. And I use just a really small rag, which is going to become soaked with it, and put it on in a circular motion. It is a cleaner too, and a protectant. I just use just a super small rag because it's going to become saturated with the cleaner protector, and if you use a bigger rag, it's just going to soak up even that much more of the product. You're actually going to end up wasting it. So yeah, see how dirty that's starting to get. So done in a circle for cleaning. And now I'm just going to go back and forth in straight lines, relatively straight. And now I'll go over the whole tonneau, get protected on, and then that's all I'll do. I won't wipe it off. I'll just leave that, and probably won't wash it for 2-3 weeks. You know, hopefully it'll rain on it and stuff. I just want it to soak in. I don't want to remove any of the product, so it just protects it, keeps it protected. So that's it, and I'll show you when I get done doing the whole thing. But you can see how much shinier it is there. You know, it's not super shiny, but it just ends up being a really nice look. And that's what it ends up looking like once it's dried. And like I say, I'll leave it and won't wash it for probably 2 or 3 weeks. Just let it all soak in and dry up really well. But product does work great. But the key to maintaining your tonneau is maintenance, and it doesn't take that long to do it. It's just kind of really remembering to do it, spring and fall. But be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.